Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dry Molokhia with chicken. First, let's prepare the Molokhia. You'll need to rehydrate the dried leaves to bring them back to life. Take about 1 cup of dry Molokhia and place it in a bowl. Cover it with warm water and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture. Once rehydrated, squeeze out all the excess water very well. This ensures your dish won't be watery. Next, we'll prepare the flavorful chicken base for our Molokhia. Start by browning 1 whole chicken, cut into 8 pieces, in a large pot with a generous drizzle of olive oil. Once the chicken is nicely golden, add 1 finely chopped onion and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics until they are fragrant and softened. Season the chicken and vegetables with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to build a rich foundation of flavor. Now it's time to bring our main ingredients together. Carefully add the rehydrated and squeezed Molokhia leaves directly into the pot with the browned chicken and aromatics. Pour in about 4 cups of hot chicken broth, ensuring everything is well submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For the grand finale, we'll add a traditional aromatic topping called talaya. In a separate small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 6 cloves of finely minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of ground coriander. Sauté this mixture until the garlic is golden brown and fragrant, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour this sizzling talaya directly over the simmering Molokhia just before serving. Serve your delicious Molokhia hot with rice or fresh bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.